everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something seriously cool to talk about. The LaserPecker 5, the ultimate bundle. If you are a small business owner, maker or just into precision engraving, this kit is going to be a game changer. This bundle includes everything you need to level up your engraving game, from advanced extension to essential safety features. But before we get into that, let's see the LP5 in action. Then we will take a closer look at the start of the show and how to set up the LaserPecker 5. machine. On top of the laser unit, you will find 3 intuitive buttons. The preview button on the left, the emergency stop button in the center, and the pause resume button on the right. The electric stand features up and down buttons to help you easily adjust the laser's focus, while a laser unit indicator light on the front shows the machine's status, whether it's connected to Wi-Fi or actively engraving, etc. It also comes with a magnetic removable conical protective cover that filters 99.9% of harmful lights and automatically pauses engraving if removed mid-process, adding an extra layer of safety. Around the back, starting from the top left, you will find a port for the DC power, a security key port, a USB-C port for PC connection, and several more USB ports. One for accessories like the rotary attachment and slide extension, one for the electric stand, one for the protective cover which powers the built-in exhaust fan, and one for the included flash drive that comes loaded with 4 ready-to-engrave files to get you started. Below all of that is a compact exhaust fan that efficiently extracts fumes, keeping your workspace clean and safe. And on the left-hand side, we have a magnetic dust cover. Now, let's look at the technical features of LaserPecker 5, the most capable, lightest, and compact laser engraver in its class, a true powerhouse in portability. This ultra-versatile 2-in-1 device combines both a 20-watt fiber laser and a 20-watt diode laser, giving you ability to engrave and cut across an incredibly wide range of materials. The fiber laser handles metals like stainless steel, aluminium, brass, titanium, and even gold and platinum with ultra-precise deep engraving and crisp edges. Meanwhile, the diode laser takes care of wood, leather, acrylic, glass, rock, rubber, and even food. The LP5 offers blazing fast speeds of up to 10,000 mm per second, perfect for rapid task completion, batch processing with variable text, and smart filling for efficiency. It even supports deep engraving and 3D grayscale embossing, delivering vivid high-contrast markings on wood, rock, and metal, all controlled by LaserPecker's expertly designed software. The LP5 isn't just fast, it's also built for precision cutting, slicing through up to 1 mm of brass, stainless steel, aluminium, and titanium, and cutting up to 15 mm of basswood or dark acrylic cleanly and accurately. With its handheld engraving capability and compact build, you are free to create wherever inspiration strikes. Be it in a retail store, a makerspace, your studio, or even outdoors. The intuitive LaserPecker design space software for PC and mobile makes workflow seamless. Supporting file formats like G-Code, JPG, PNG, SVG, BMP, and DXF, and offering multiple preview modes including rectangle, outline, and center point. When it comes to safety, the LP5 leads the pack with redundant safety mechanisms: an emergency stop button, overheat protection, access control, and a security key. The door sensor-equipped protective enclosure holds operation immediately when opened, while the front light filtration blocks 99.9% of harmful light. The built-in exhaust fan ensures efficient fume and particulate removal, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Whether you are into color engraving, precision metal cutting, or creating detailed grayscale textures, the LP5 delivers it all. In terms of specs, the laser unit measures just 255 by 98 by 183 mm, weighs only 3.3 kg, and when paired with the electric stand and protective cover, the total setup remains a manageable 6 kg. The working area spans 120 by 160 mm in ellipse, 100 by 100 mm in square, or up to 160 by 300 mm with the slide extension. It offers a laser spot size of 0.08 by 0.1 mm for diode and 0.06 by 0.06 mm for fiber, an engraving precision of 0.0027 mm. It's fully compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Lightburn, and connects via USB or Wi-Fi. For flexibility, With its unmatched combination of speed, power, portability, safety, and material versatility, the LaserPecker 5 is more than just a tool. It's a complete engraving ecosystem built for creators who demand both quality and freedom. First up, let's talk about the slide extension and how to connect and activate in LaserPecker design space. This is a pretty amazing upgrade for anyone looking to tackle bigger projects. It expands the working size of the LaserPecker 5 to a massive 160 by 300 millimeters. That means larger engraving areas and more creative freedom. Whether you are engraving bigger signs, custom artwork, or even large batches of smaller items, the slide extension ensures you are not limited by the size of your workpiece. It really opens up a whole new level of possibilities, especially for makers and small businesses looking to scale their projects. Next, let's talk about the rotary attachment and how to set up. This one's a real winner if you want to engrave irregular or cylindrical items like bottles, tumblers, rings, or vases. Honestly, the precision here is insane. With the Rotary Extension, you can engrave even the most unique objects, the kind of things that would normally be a nightmare with other machines. The ability to rotate and engrave on curved surfaces with such precision really opens up business opportunities, like personalized drinkware or custom jewelry pieces. It's perfect for anyone offering personalized products or just trying to get creative with their designs. Now, here is something that sets the LaserPecker 5 Ultimate Bundle apart: the desktop air purifier. If you have ever used a laser engraver, you know that the fumes can be a big issue. But with this purifier, you can rest easy knowing it's got your back. It features a 4-layer filtration system, achieving an impressive 99.97% purification rate. So, you can ensure a cleaner and safer workspace. Plus, it runs quietly, so you won't have that loud, disruptive hum in the background while you are working. It's perfect for home studios, craft fairs, or any workspace where air quality is a concern. Let's take a closer look at the LaserPecker 5 Safety Enclosure, which needs to be purchased separately, which has been thoughtfully designed for both protection and ease of use. Right at the top front of the enclosure, there is a status indicator that shows different states such as power on, laser unit connection, and firmware updates. On the right side, you will find up and down button for adjusting the base plate. A single press moves it by 0.5 mm, while holding the button for 2 seconds enables continuous movement. The camera button lets you manage the network connection with a 3-second press, and a quick double press will restart the camera. The front door is magnetic, automatically pausing the engraving process if opened mid-operation for added safety. Over on the right hand side, the top left corner features an emergency stop button, along with a fire extinguisher port and inlet. The bottom of this panel houses a DC power port specifically for the safety enclosure. Moving to the back, you will find a USB port for accessories, another USB port for the laser unit, and the DC power port for the laser itself, along with a rear magnetic door for access. On the left hand side, there is an extractor fan that efficiently removes fumes, keeping your workspace clean. Inside the enclosure, there are 2 bright internal lights, one on each side, a USB port for accessories, and a built-in camera for precise positioning and alignment. So, to wrap up, the LaserPecker 5 Ultimate Bundle is an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to take their engraving and cutting to the next level. It is fast, precise, and incredibly versatile. Perfect for small businesses, makers, or anyone looking to create stunning customized items. If you are serious about engraving, this is the setup you need. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews and tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.